Katy just got back from school, but her day is far from over. Her teacher introduced something meowgical today. Python coding. Katy couldn't wait. She turned on her computer, opened her notebook, and typed her very first line of code. She wanted to build her own game. Game where mice pop out and she has to click them fast. Using Python and her favorite library, she started creating. Suddenly, her robot assistant, Kaity, popped up to help debug her code. Teamwork makes coding extra fun. Oops! Her game didn't run the first time. But Katy didn't give up. She found the mistake and fixed it like a real coder. Katy's game worked. She clicked, she scored, she laughed. Learning to code was her new favorite thing. Katy said that you can be a coder too. Start small, have fun, and build amazing things. And always test your code. And don't forget to save your work. See you in the next adventure. Meow.